Hey guys, been a while since I put up a video. Finally got a chance to put one up, so I thought I'd do a video about the filtration for anyone that was interested. So the tank is running on a 6x2x2 sump. Should probably start with the overflow. So there's an external weir that runs across the outside of the tank, which is here. This is a glass box, as you can see. The tank's 1 meter wide. The weir runs the full length of the tank into the external overflow. There is then three, kind of difficult to record here, but there is 3 pipes coming out of the overflow that are 3-inch or 75mm pipe out of the overflow down into the sump. It's all a little bit messy, but it works quite well. Can handle quite a lot of flow, this setup. I'm not running it anywhere near its potential for now. I probably will be looking into upgrading the pump or putting a second pump, but for now it's working okay. I've kept things pretty simple in the sump, easy maintenance and low cost. Didn't want to spend too much after spending a significant amount on the tank itself. So the first bay there is jap mat, and onto the second bay there is some sponge that has filter floss built into it that I bought off on eBay. And just standard filter floss. It's due for a clean, which is what I'm doing today. So that first bay, all of this bay kind of just gets rinsed out with tank water while a water change is happening. The next bay, there's also some more filter floss and sponge, and then biological filtration. I use horticultural pumice, which is pretty much the same as Cichlid matrix. It's just a natural volcanic porous rock. There's also some polymer resin in there that I'll be replacing today. Some more filter floss and more pumice. So it's pretty simple. It's a decent sized sump. I think it's 180 gallons, I think it is, sump. And the pump here in the end, it's a Fluval SP6 pump, and it is returned back into the tank with a spray bar that runs the length of the tank that I built myself. There are a couple wave makers in the back in the corner, and that's pretty much it. All the fish are hungry, even though I'm doing a water change. This is a water change system that I built DIY. So it has the pickup inside the tank. This is just built from parts from my local hardware store. Comes out the top of it onto a garden hose and outside into my yard, where I have my koi pond here, if anyone's interested in koi. So it just overflows into the yard. I normally will water the garden with the tank water, and then I use the same system to fill the tank back up. So the other end will have a standard hose connection, the same as that. So to start the siphon, the hose will be connected to the garden tap outside. You turn it on, the water flows into the tank. You then disconnect the hose from the tap, let the water flow out. You've now created a siphon. The water is siphoning out, and to fill, obviously just connect it back up and start filling. I like to do it this way. It gives me time to clean the glass and rearrange anything that I need. If I'm in a hurry, I've also got a pump that I put into the tank and drain it with a pump, but this seems to work fast enough. for when I have the time. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Watch my other videos that go into depth of what's in the tank with the current stocking and future plans and so on. And hit me up with any questions that you're interested in. Cheers.